Hello everyone, we are going to solve for the value of x from this given exponential equation. By given that 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power x is equal to 45, then what is the value of x that will satisfy this equation? To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we are going to recall, if you look at the left hand side of this equation, 3 to power x multiple 3 to the power of x, we are going to recall this property that says when we have a raised to the power of y multiplied by a raised to the power of y, this is the same as what? A raised to the power of y plus y, which is the same as what? A raised to the power of 2y. So we recall multiplication property of indices. When the bases are the same, just write one of the base, then we add the 2 power. So y plus y is the same as 2y. So we're going to apply this property to the left hand side of this equation. So we have 3 to power x multiple 3 to the power of x. As you can see, the base are the same, 3 and 3. So what do? We write one of the base, which is 3, then we add the exponent. X plus x is going to give us 2x, which is going to be equal to 45. The next thing we're going to do is to compare the base. If you look at the left hand side, the base is 3 and here we have 45. So there's no way we can balance the base. So therefore, we're going to take the log of both sides to the base of 10. So when we do that, in the left hand side, we're going to have log of 3 raised to the power of 2x, which is equal to log of 45. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall power property of indices. We say that when you have log of a term raised to the power of another term, so the power is going to go back to multiply the log. So this power here is 2x. So 2x will go back to multiply log of 3. Then everything will be equal to log of 45. Now the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by log 3 in order to eliminate this log 3 in the left hand side. So we divide the left hand side by log of 3, and also we divide the right hand side by log of 3, so that this log 3 is going to cancel this log 3. In the left hand side, we are left with just 2x, which is equal to log of 45 over log of 3. So the next thing we're going to do is to simplify the right hand side into its lowest form. As you can see, this 45 can also be break as 9 multiplied by 5. So we're going to have 2x to be equal to log of, in place of 45, we're going to replace 9 multiplied by 5, then everything all over log of 3. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall one of the property of logarithm. We say that when we have log of m multiplied by n, this can be simplified as what? Log of m plus log of n. As you can see, the left hand side in this property is in form of this numerator. So I want to transform into this form where m represents 9 and n represents 5. So when we do that, it's going to give us what? 2x to be equal to log of 9 then plus log of 5. It's in this form already, then everything all over log of 3. So the next thing we're going to do, since the denominator is only one term, so the two terms in the numerator can share the denominator. So we're going to have 2x to be equal to log of 9 over log of 3, then plus log of 5 over log of 3. So the next thing we're going to do is to also break this 9 as what? 3 raised to the power of 2. So we're going to have 2x, which is going to be equal to log of, in place of 9, we're going to replace 3 raised to the power of 2, then all over log of 3, then plus log of 5 over log of 3. So now we're going to still recall power property of logarithm. This power 2 here is going to go back to multiply log 3. So we're going to have 2x to be equal to 2 log of 3 over log of 3, then plus log of 5 over log of 3. So we have 2x to be equal to, this log 3 is going to cancel this log 3. So here we are left with only 2, then plus. Here we have log 5 over log 3. So we're going to apply the property called changing of base property, where we have log of m over log of n. This can be transformed as what? Log of m to the base of n. So we take 5 as m and 3 as n. So written in this form is going to be what? Log of 5 to the base of 3. So now we have 2x here, and our focus is to get the value of x. So therefore, we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Then we also divide all through by 2, so that this 2 is going to cancel this 2. We're left with only x in the left hand side, which is going to be equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, then plus log of 5 to the base of 3, then everything all over 2. So here is the value of x that satisfies this given exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.